belong to somebody else. And that's on me, ride around town in the SRT.
What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to do an in-depth look of the Jeep SRT. I'm going to give you a full 360 walk around first, okay? Apologize about the shadow. The first and foremost thing about this, I will say everybody is like, what? That's a 2012? So, you know, pretty much guess that, you know, Jeep, Dodge, Fiat, they did a pretty good job. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Let's start with gaining access to the vehicle. What I love most about this, you don't need to take the key out your pocket. All you have to do, stick your hand in there like that with the key fob in your pocket. As you've seen, you heard the unlock. The door is now open. Since we opened the door, let's get into the interior. Seats are like a leather mixed with the suede, I guess. Suede cotton material, I really don't know. Sorry about that. That steering wheel is amazing. You have carbon fiber accents. Then you have the leather dash. This is one of the things that were very messed up when I got the car, the leather dash. I'm kind of upset about it, but you know, we can get that fixed at a later time. You have the 6.5-inch touchscreen, I believe it is, can't remember. Radio. You have heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Let's go in the back here. Got the back seats pretty well. As well, same material as the front. Sitting in it, pretty roomy. This is my favorite feature. Panoramic sunroof. Amazing. See the room. Both front seats are powered. Let's walk around to the trunk next. Massive. Big trunk space. It did come equipped with these weather techs, so if you like spill anything on it, all you have to do is take this mat out here, dump it on the ground, rinse it off, put it back in, you're good to go. Protects the carpet underneath. That's how you lift up, get to the tire. Then you have some compartments back here. I like to put microfiber cloths back there. Very beneficial. Another thing that we have is you have chargers everywhere in this thing. You got one in the trunk. You got one in the back seat. The actual outlet here. Have heated seats in the back as well, which is pretty cool. Get in the driver's seat. Of course, it has cool racing seats. Let's close the door here. Memory. So see how I'm scooting up right now? It's adjusting to what I have already set up, so you can set up pre-made seats. Very nice. I don't know if many of you all know that it's, you know, a 2012 or not, but I think it's pretty impressive for it being a 2012. One tap button. The rims for me are hit or miss just because of the fact they're silver. So, I mean, they look pretty nice, and you know, it comes standard equipped with the Brembros and everything like that. But as far as the rims and the chrome, I don't like on the vehicle. top. Then you have these nice, really nice hood, kind of similar to a Hellcat hood, I would say. I don't know if y'all would agree with me on that or not, but it's kind of similar to a Hellcat hood. Also, it has, I believe you call it heat vents, and they are functional. So you have heat vents there, and these work as well. You know, the signature 7 for Jeep being on the continent first, or motion sensor there, kind of tells you, you know, if a vehicle's in front of you, if you need to automatically brake. Might want to be careful with that. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the hood for y'all. 6.4 Hemi in here. The car is all-wheel drive, so the torque in here is kind of insane. It throws you back in the seat. I love it. I feel like it's better than the Charger that I had. Then you have a SRT letters up here in the vehicle. You have it here, and you also have it here. That's one thing I personally feel that they could have done better, because it's only SRT in 2 places of the vehicle, besides, you know, the markers in the back or the emblems in the back. So if it was more in the interior, you know, I would feel pretty good. I'll probably get some SRT floor mats, and I forgot again about the chair, but I'll probably get some SRT floor mats. I would have loved if my steering wheel would have said SRT instead of the Jeep there as well. But, you know, as far as that, it's just little tedious things. But this vehicle is amazing. Let's get you all a startup. So we're gonna do the remote start. Backed up a little bit. It's not stock like this. I put an X pipe on here and gutted everything else out and replaced it with some Flowmaster 10s. Vehicle is fully remote optional, as I told you guys earlier. It's fully functional. It's a 2012, but it has everything that a new vehicle would almost have, you know. So when I tell people the year, it's like, wow, what? So I like not to say it just because it's like, dang, but I feel like I spent my money very well. One of my dream cars, I didn't expect to get it the way I did, but it's going good so far. I'll keep you all updated. Like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you don't like the video. Do what you got to do. We out.